Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick introduction into mixing and pouring epoxy. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to measure out our two parts. 2 parts A to 1 part B. Once you've got your parts measured, you're going to want to combine them into one container. Pouring them in, and then I like to use a rubber spatula to scrape everything off the sides. You want to get every bit as possible because your mixture has to be measured precisely. Cleaning off your spatula between your 2 parts to avoid any cross-contamination. I like to keep my measuring cups clean and only use A for A and B for B. Now you're going to want to stir and mix up your epoxy. You're going to want to stir it for a minimum of 10 minutes, making sure to scrape the sides, scrape the bottom multiple times in the process. It might seem like a little extensive, but believe me, I've had some messed up pours in the past, and you got to make sure it's well mixed. Once you're pretty much there with mixing, you can go ahead and add your pigments. I like to add a little bit of a liquid pigment just so it's not a clear base, because I'm going to use a blue pigment powder, and I just want it to be more solid blue. You can mix your pigment colors any which way you like. I like to use the liquid base to match the metallic pigment I'm using, so it's more of a metallic accent into the colored base.
A few moments later.
And now we get ready to pour. I like to border my areas with some caulking. That way we don't get epoxy outside the pour area, because it's just too hard to sand it all down later. I like to use a spatula just to spread the epoxy into the finer, shallower areas. Spread it around after you get it all poured, and then top it up in all the lower spots. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and as always, if you've enjoyed what you've seen here, please hit that like button, and if you'd like to see some more content, please feel free to subscribe.